In this video, I will present 20MAT, a dataset aggregating over 20 years of open source software development in Mozilla and Apache project. Before telling you about the dataset itself, let me tell you the story of how and why I came to build this dataset. Back in 2017, I moved to the University of Oulu and started to investigate the impact of time pressure on software developers using MSR techniques. For this, and because we wanted to conduct large-scale MSR studies on this topic, we needed a large number of timestamps with accurate time zones about development activity. This is how we came to extract data about Mozilla and Apache commit history. We had several publications using this data, including a short paper presented at MSR in 2017 and an XT paper in 2018. At the same time, our research work was leaning towards natural language processing, which led me to also collect information about issue trackers for both Mozilla and Apache. The dataset that I present here is a version of the dataset used in past studies, but updated with fresh data in January 2020. So, what did we exactly extract and how was it done? Here, what the workflow looks like. For the code repositories, we use Grimoire Labs Percival to extract metadata about Git commit and Bugzilla's and Jira's issue and issue comments. One advantage of our dataset is that we merge developer identifiers and can link code commit and issue tracker data of individual developers. Because of that, we could also infer time zones for issue tracker metadata from commit data. The dataset contains historical information from over 100 Mozilla projects and over 600 Apache projects. This amounts to almost 1 million commits for Mozilla and over 2 million for Apache going back to 1998. For the issue trackers, we have over 1 million issues, 13 million comments going back to 1994 for Mozilla, and a bit less than 1 million and over 4 million going back to 2003 for Apache. In terms of developers, after merging identities, we have almost 7,000 unique developers for Mozilla, 68% of which could be linked to a profile in Bugzilla. For Apache, we have over 27,000 developers, for which 45% could be linked to a profile in Jira. For both Mozilla and Apache, those developers who were linked to a profile have authored over 80% of the commits and over 50% of the comments. Moreover, our dataset also links information between commits and issues, as we retrieved issue IDs found in commit messages for more than 600,000 Mozilla commits and 700,000 Apache commits. As far as we know, this could be the most extensive dataset not based on GitHub and linking issue tracker and commit activity. The dataset also contains process data about the textual information contained in issue tracker comments. We filtered out textual information that is not natural language using NLON, a tool we presented at MSR 2 years ago. From the natural language comments, we extracted emoticon use, split comments into sentences, and ran 2 sentiment analysis tools on the sentences. In total, we have 22 million natural language sentences for Mozilla and over 30 million for Apache. Our dataset is hosted in an Open Science Framework repository. There, you can find the link to our GitHub repository containing the documentation of the dataset and linking itself to other GitHub repositories containing the source code that was used to extract and process all the data. As we are still using this dataset as part of our research, we will most likely keep on updating it into the future. We also believe it can be useful to any research requiring metadata such as timestamps with developer time zones, natural language data, or linked information between code repositories and issue trackers about professional open source software development. Thanks for listening, and if you have any question, be sure to ask the mining duck during the conference.